Alright guys, here we are with a new version of Fun Monkey Horror. So let's go over here. Oop. And I will be using some mods just for the case of this video. Should I have the t-shirt? No. But in part 2, in the comments, type if you want me to wear the t-shirt. Whoa! There's so much more! Quiet, please. Wait, what's quiet? Oh, hell. Area 51. Alright, guys. I'm playing Area 51 today with some random people.
But not that. Today I'm in
this new version. So let's go juke some monsters.
Guys, it's the part of 87! Fucking 7! The part of 87 will be enrolled into Freddy Fazbear.
Why is there new update today? Why are there updates? What is it? Did you see some monster?
Yes.
This is my first day in the update.
Oh, it's very fun. Like,
I think I saw a monster!
guys, but
No, guys, I think I see a monster!
It's Sonic!
Another
Sonic!
Okay. Actually, this time, no, because I know that can't see my body and kind of blocks the view for you guys. So I'm trying to get this finger painter. You can't buy it. It's only from YouTube. So let's try next bots.
No way.
Nice to meet you. It's a tip.
Yo, hi guys!
Yeah,
No,
that's right, run away. Run away.
No,
Never mind.
You're not all that. I'm the real
Criminal.
Hey there, my name.
Criminal.
Yo guys, I love
Hey guys, I can see what's inside the pill broken my criminal.
Yo,
Find some
The criminal in my ankle. This goofy Mike Tyson is real.
it's a new one.
Oh shit! I didn't know that was the next part.
Oh, that. See something called a SCP-096. Boop. I don't know if it, like, this is my first VR video that I'm actually posting, because back then I didn't have a YouTube channel to post on. Alright, let's go and see what this has.
Well, fellas,
Green.
why am I
I know this map.
Bro, why am
This black guy was lying to me.
Bro, why am I 4 for 1 in this?
Let's go see what this has.
It's up there.
I gotta check if the background is. Yes! Yes! The background is still here.
the monster, so I don't know what you guys are worrying about.
Oh my god.
Bro, should I be worried about the monster?
No, not really.
Guys, I'm gonna go cliff jumping.
Is he not scary at all?
It's just SCP-096. So,
Bro, I thought
really.
this guy was a monster because I just saw like a shadow of him moving. What?
I'd recommend running, guys. I'd recommend it.
Here, it's SCP-096. What the flip? What the flip?
Wait, 096.
I didn't mean it, SCP. Look at you. I didn't mean it.
Orange.
Yeah, what is 096?
So I kind of look at his face. He's got kind of angry.
I dread this.
Bro, they call me the Slimer 303.
Wait, why is your mom in there?
No.
That is not 096. Here. What?
Orange.
A2R2.
No, there's back room. In the back room.
Let's go see
There's a naked man running around.
think about this.
Oh, there's a naked man running around.
I don't know. I'm just exploring the map. What's on the map?
What? Hey guys, come right here.
Buy the maps.
Guys, run over here.
Like, attention.
Wait, I don't think
Check
you'll get it.
it out.
He can't.
Look at Spider-Man.
It's you
clipping.
buy them.
Look,
There's,
man,
I think there's a new one, right? Pretty sure.
Hey guys, follow me. We're gonna go to the back. Just go in here.
Good, I am at vertically.
What?
Bro,
Here you go. Let's go up.
Why am I in the bottom?
No need to worry. There's no monster. Trust me.
There isn't. Okay, that's good.
Just the broccoli.
Let's go this way.
Where do we go now?
Cute.
This way? What's this? Guys, I found the cowboy hats.
hello.
It's mine.
Let's go.
Hey,
Let's
White,
walk this way.
what do you think
Bro, it's true.
about
Platforms that clip.
Why is everyone's
White.
voice echoing?
White? Do you have a mic?
Right here.
White?
Because it can.
Oh, bro.
Wait, this is on
Painting.
Red,
Oh!
does anyone hear me?
Oh, bye. It's a loop.
Do you hear me?
Stay there. I'm out.
Wait,
Don't go that way. That's endless.
Wait,
That's
what?
Torment. No.
is this a
don't go that
loop?
Why is this place so
Black,
Yes.
black,
Why is this place so black?
black.
Horrible.
Oh, guys, I think I found the way. I found the way.
You did not find
Guys,
the
I might
way.
be back.
Hello, everybody.
Are you sure I didn't find the way, bro? Are you sure?
Oh my god,
Just
it's a
walk
skibbity
through this
wall
wall.
behind you. Yo, what?
Well,
Wait, I
this
remember
is
this.
the
Is
way
from my
back.
first monkey.
Do you hear me?
Whoa.
No.
Bro, just
I know
run
this place.
full. Bro.
Bro, can
Just
anyone
walk
hear me?
We're the monsters.
Hey, Red.
What's
I'm
good?
orange. Colorblind.
Yo, where is everyone? What are you guys doing back here?
Just walk through this wall.
Let's go.
I don't have to be fun.
Does
guys, I'm back
anyone
Yo, guys, I'm
hear
back
me?
on.
Where's SCP-096?
Everybody.
Bro, pack
guys,
me
I'm back
like
on.
crusty,
I'm back
musty, off fingers, bro.
Is that the best you can
Pack
do?
me. Bro, pack me with your crusty, musty,
Let's
gusty,
go to the
mouth.
boss.
There's a retard, this money party, discarded by your family, all manly, lost any profanity, calamity, obtuse,
Hey,
barbecue, screen,
Red,
names,
Red.
giant snake, birthday cake, large size, everything, hillbilly, silly dilly, killing with him. I forgot. I don't have much for that. I'm still working on the script.
Purple, can you hear me?
Hold on.
I'm still working on the script. I'm still working
Can
on it.
someone hear me?
freaking man. Go this way.
I guess not.
Guys, am I the next Spec God? Am I the next Spec God?
Let's go to new map. Let's wait. I gotta take a wait because I am the official Chicken VR, and soon I might change my name to Chicken or Chicken VR. But if you find someone named Chicken VR or Chicken, actually, no, just Chicken VR, then try to hit me up.
I found him! Oh no way!
What the hell?
Guys, can anyone hear me?
No, I don't teach you, but because you're a noob.
Can anyone hear me?
No, you are a noob.
Blue.
Why don't you call it?
Ah! No, run! You are scammed. I gonna leave, niggers.
Okay. Bro, why can nobody hear me?
Run!
Bro, y'all actually fell for it.
Not okay. The fuck. You okay?
I just saw something.
Go!
I just saw something.
No, that's what you're here. Where's the monster?
I don't know. But if he's not there, he went this way. But the monster is fast. So,
Is it?
can you guys hear me?
Yeah. Okay, it's not the monster.
I just need to know if y'all can hear me.
Okay, for one. No.
Retard.
Wait,
Let's go see if some people are in the PvP map, because this is the last map I'm gonna expect. I'm gonna go to. So, but I might keep my name as Rufus. And if you find someone that has the name Rufus, not my voice, then it's probably my friend. He's also named Rufus. We have a little Rufus clown. But anyways, let's go to the last map, PvP.
Okay.
Oh, I'm surprised there's actually people in this map.
You think you're safe?
Thank you, farm boy.
I just sent him to space. Wait, did I launch myself?
Yeah, you can launch yourself.
Oh!
Oh.
Wait, can y'all hear me?
You're talking bad. Hey, you suck.
Can y'all hear me? Black. Anyone, can y'all hear me?
You suck.
Oh, I suck?
Black, can you hear me?
Thank you, flying, buddy.
Black, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. I'm just recording a video, so I need to...
No, my game's broke. Come here, big boy. What?
Jump scared.
Oh!
No! Please don't. No.
Going. That's a do it. A banana. Banana. P color.
Someone knocked me off the edge.
We got the trouble.
Knocked me off the edge.
Come here, big
Cyan.
boy.
Bruh.
Sam.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Pew.
Do we see that?
Pew.
Got the trouble. Ha ha. You suck, bitch.
No. No, please. Oh. I'm gonna play a little. Look behind you. Okay, he just got. I think his VR died or he left. No! No! Oh, please, please! No! I was so close. If you're
Let's go.
oh
No. Hey, Can, turn around. Bop. Look up. Bop. Scooty trough.
Alright. Guys.
God, what the fuck? What? Freak! What the freak? Look up. Scooty trough. Freak! I see now. I see.
I just got you mid-air.
Look up. Can. I'm gonna try to do a trick shot. Look up. Bop. Bang. No.
Okay. But this
I just did a
will
360.
not be the end of this.
Guys, I'm gonna do a 360. No, wait, I'm gonna do a 360 no scope on you. Okay, I do this. I do this.
360.
Bop, did it again. Freak. Did it? Yeah.
I just spawned on him.
Is it just us two?
I think so, but can you hear me? I need to
Yeah,
make
I can
sure.
hear you.
I just need to make sure because I'm recording. So,
Oh, you're recording, man?
yeah.
What kind of vid?
I will,
What's the vid?
like, I'm trying to get, like, the finger painter thing. Like, I'm exploring the new update.
Oh,
How do you get the
shoot, I
fingerprint?
got an RPG. Ah!
What did you
Bro,
say?
I'm gonna do a 360 no scope.
Pew!
But don't knock this glass over here. What the hell?
I can't see. I can't see.
Yeah, I shot you. I think I'm,
How do you leave?
I think.
How do you leave?
You can't.
I can't
You have to restart
see.
your game.
Yeah, you have to
What?
restart.
Help me. Help.
Behind you, retard.
I think
No,
me and my friend is one of the first people to play this update.
Yeah, why?
You
wanna be
didn't send me
calling people
off. You
R-word?
didn't send me off. You didn't send me off. Eat my shot.
Bruh, for some reason, I think I'm one of the best players in PvP. I don't know why. I just think so. Pew!
360. Oh, no scope.
Oh. I'm getting to you.
Nuh-uh.
Wait, guys. Guys,
I
let's
hate
do a 2v1.
I
Y'all
feel
two.
much better, boy.
Y'all
You
two.
better start
Y'all
doing it.
two
Hit the greedy.
versus
I
me.
can't see.
No,
Hit the greedy.
let's do a 2v2.
Let's go.
Guys, let's
Guys,
do
I'm gonna
a
hit the gritty.
2v2.
DJ short.
Guys, I'm gonna hit the gritty.
I don't want to hit the greedy, boy.
Guys, I'm gonna hit.
Somebody told me I can't see. Shoot, but
I'm
I
gonna
can't
hit the
see.
gritty.
Hit him the greedy,
oh,
boy.
I can't
Hit him the greedy. Hit him the greedy.
The Gritty McGritty. But I am gonna play. Here's the end of the video. But
Gonna start ready now?
Keep watching if you want to see.
Ah.
I didn't fall off the map. I didn't fall off the map. I shall get you. I shall kill you.
Who wants to see me hit the McGritty?
Oh.
The McGriddle.
The McGritty.
I heard it.
Please, no.
I'm gonna
Well, that was a close call.
Got him. I'm actually gonna hit the Gritty. I'm gonna hit the Gritty. Don't kill me. I'm gonna hit the Gritty.
I can't see. Help.
I'm gonna do the McGritty.
Help me. I can't see.
Did I just get him? I don't know. But
Riddle Gritty.
Hit the greedy, boy. Hit the
Oh,
greedy.
hit the Gritty.
Hit the greedy. Hit the greedy.
mid-air Gritty, boom.
Hit the greedy. Yeah. Hit the greedy, boy.
I see how
Hit the
it
greedy.
is. Attack! I just sent bro off to space.
In your face. Hit him greedy in your face, bro. Hit him greedy in your face. Hey,
What the McGriddle?
Hit him greedy, boy. Hit him greedy. Hit him greedy.
Guys, I'm gonna hit the McGritty.
Bro, I'm so...
Hit the greedy.
Oh, hit the Gritty. Okay.
Hit the greedy.
Pew!
I gotta
Surprise!
go out of Adam's bell.
No.
I'm gonna be hitting the Gritty.
Wait, Black. Which is the black who knows I'm recording?
Oh, Gritty!
Bro, hit the... I can't see. It's too dark.
Hello. No, I shall
Help
get
me.
you.
I can't see.
Pew! Black. Wait, shit, bro. Which is the black who knows that I'm recording? I just wanna know.
We better start working out, boy. Let me eat my bananas.
Very cool, my guy. You gotta get that
Bro, who wants
those
who
vitamins. Bruh, I just spawned. I didn't even get to touch the ground, my man.
No.
Seriously. Nutcrackers. Boop.
Oh crap! God, no. No.
Do you like getting sent into space? Here you go, my guy.
Bro, I be hitting the McGritty on you. McGriddle!
Oh crap! On God.
Guys, for some reason, I feel like I'm one of the best PvP guys in Fun Monkey World.
I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yo.
Hey, we're greedy, bro.
I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yo.
Attack!
Karma.
I'm still alive, yo. I
Karma.
be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yo. I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yo. I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yo.
McGritty guy. Wait, McGritty guy. McGritty. Bro, chill.
No,
That's what happens if you don't chill, my guy.
You do this to me, game.
Hitting the McGritty on these kids, yo. I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yo. I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yo.
Headshot. Critical hit.
McGritty on these kids, yo.
Critical hit.
Greedy,
that was-
pull Oh, I got that.
Never mind.
Critical hit. Yeah, that was really a critical hit.
I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yeah.
Pew.
I can't give up. Yes.
Please.
One shot. We got a #1 victory out. Now Fortnite's about get down. You know, die.
Bro, I think I'm one of the best PvP guys in this game, bro.
Your
You're not
Xbox to
kidding.
play Fortnite.
Only if I'm like.
Oh, it's there. I really want to. Chug with you.
Yo, I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yeah. I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yeah.
Oh, what
It's a McGritty.
Oh, the rocket!
Say that before you die. Come on. No.
Guys.
I guess they got me. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's just somebody.
Only McGritty kid. I'm the only McGriddle.
Bro, I can't see anything.
Oh, shoot.
I can't see
I'm the only
anything.
McGriddle kid.
You're not gonna get me.
I can't see anything.
No McGriddle kid.
Okay.
No McGritty on these kids, yeah. I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yeah. I want them to space and nothing they can do. I shoot them in the face with the RPG, yeah. I'm the
Gritty.
McGritty.
I'm gonna do the McGritty.
I see barely dodge that. Whoa!
I be McGritty.
McGritty.
Bam!
Pew.
I be hitting the McGritty.
Here we go. Hey there, buddy.
I be hitting the McGritty on these kids, yeah.
Cyan.
Bam!
I can't see anything.
I'm the only McGritty. I'm the only McGritty.
Bro just got shot straight out of the sky.
Oh.
Everybody gather in the center. Nobody shoot me.
Nobody shoot. Nobody shoot anyone. Nobody shoot anyone.
You gotta hit a trick shot? Okay.
Wait, guys, how many people are in this
McGritty you've
room?
ever seen.
How do you use the mod
Shooting. He said stop freaking shooting, guys.
Guys, how do you use the mod on the mod menu?
Let me do the McGritty.
Do the McGritty. Oh, come on.
Hey. What?
Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Do not.
Guys, this is the end. See ya.